Hi dear customers, this is our polishing machine to polishing the puller and the button. So you can see this machine has the weaving function and also can be without weaving function by turn on the switch, okay? And the output for puller by 8 hours is about 100,000 pieces. So if you are interested for such these machines, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you. Now it should be fixing on the clipper. I just showed to you. This machine can polish in such these parts. If for the button, then it can be turned by 90 degrees 2 times. Thank you.